What's up, guys? Back in the studio here with Hamilton from Leica, and if you saw our first video going into detail on how to set up profiles for the Geovid Pros and the Rangemaster CRF Pro, we are now going to be going into detail on how to actually transfer from the app into the units. So if you need a little more reference, make sure to check out that video first. But with that being said, I'm going to turn it over to Hamilton.
Thanks, Jace. We went quite into depth in the other video, and I hope people realize how much faster it is to actually build a profile than it was for me to talk about building a profile, and even more so, how much faster it is to change profiles once you've got them set up in your system. So I'm going to start screen recording on my phone so that you'll be able to see what's happening in the app, but we're also going to you have to work with the binocular as well a little bit, or the CRF. It works the same way with either product. What we do is we pick up the unit, we press the range button to power the unit up, and I'm going to look through and confirm that my Bluetooth symbol is flashing. It is, and so I'm going to hit pair rangefinder on my app, and I'm going to compare the serial number on it, and Geovid Pro AB5801 is the serial number 5801 on my unit, so I'm going to tap that, said device available. I get now a blue Bluetooth symbol, and that tells me I'm connected. So I can close this window, and now I can go to, all right, I'm not going to update while we do this video, but it's nice to have an alert that you have firmware updates and to run them. We're going to go to gun profiles. Okay, I've got my list of profiles. In the previous video, we talked about that the profile at the top with the green check mark underneath it is the last profile that was transferred to a product. Okay, so we know that the one we built is not that one. However, the one we built is at the bottom of the screen here, Pro 175 30-6 LRX. I tap that, and lo and behold, look at that. It jumped to the top. There's a green check mark beside it. We're done. Cool. That's actually it. This unit is now programmed with the new profile. It's got the scope data for corrections. It's got the bullet data for velocity. It's got the environmental data from when we zeroed the gun in the first place. Basically everything that we did has now been transferred in what literally, once you're doing it, takes less than 10 seconds to switch out. I'll do it again. We'll go, consider the units off. I'm going to press it like it's on. Okay, we go to pair rangefinder. It's already paired. All right, I'm going to go back to gun profiles, and I'm going to switch a different one. Okay, I just tapped 65 ELDX. It's already been transferred over. It's ready to go. You can take your library of it's 5 profiles if you have the original AB Ultralight system in it. It's over 20 if you have AB Elite upgraded in your app. And that quickly, 10 seconds or less, you can switch between profiles, and all the data you need to know, or that your rangefinder needs to know, has been transferred just like that.
Yep, I would say that was pretty quick. Cool, good to know. So just like that, we know how quick and easy it is to transfer all the data into one of these units, and then bam, just like that, you're ready to rock. So because we have this ease of use and how quickly it is to go from, one profile to the other, what exactly do you see as the benefit for the average hunter or the guy out there, rucking around that needs to make a change like this?
So the biggest benefit to my mind, is that it's a standalone system. Once you've got Applied Ballistics downloaded, or the Leica Ballistics app that's powered by Applied Ballistics downloaded into your phone, and you've got your profiles built, and say you're in the field, you can be at a range where you don't have Wi-Fi or even cell signal service. All the data is either on your phone or on the rangefinder, and all you have to do is have a Bluetooth connection between your phone and your rangefinder, and any data that's in your phone can be migrated over into your rangefinder. So you don't have to have any connection with the outside world. If you're in Africa and you're on a safari and you're shooting both plains game and dangerous game, and you've got multiple rifles and you've got multiple profiles, and you're nowhere near any signal, you can program your Geovid for your needs for the day, without any connection with the outside world. It's a self-contained system here. That to me is the biggest benefit to it.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. That still is, I would say, just about our number one question when it comes to systems like this. It's, hey, do I need cell phone service? And to just be able to say, no, absolutely not. You can do everything on the phone and still Bluetooth it. No cell phone service needed. Yeah, that's pretty invaluable.
Thank you. And one other benefit of the system that I didn't really mention, it's you'll notice in there's a cloud symbol on the app. You can actually back up all of your profiles into a cloud, so that if you ever lose your phone, Especially if you lose your phone, but you've got a friend and they've got a phone, they can download the app, they can pull your profiles out of the cloud and upload them onto their phone, so that you have a backup if you've got a connection with the outside world. You can actually get a backup of your data if you were to need it. That's in a very extreme case, but we're trying to look out for you in any way we can. So cloud backup for all your data.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Seems like y'all thought of just about everything with this system.
Thank you.
Yeah. And guys, again, this video was to kind of tack on what we already talked about with building a profile for these guys. So please check out that video as well. And again, thanks for being here. God bless.
Thank you.